Skyline Tower, November 93586 is ready for takeoff. 32.
93586, Skyline Tower, your right turn out is approved. Runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Right turn approved, clear for takeoff on 32, November 93586. Thank you. Alright, Lando, your hands over here. I'll show you how to do it. Double check nobody's coming from the left, nobody's coming from the right,
yeah,
and nobody's coming from the center. Follow the center of the runway, and I'm going to do it with you, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, when we're on the center of the runway, now this one is going to be very sensitive, so very slow in the movements. It's not like the Cessna. Cessna is not that sensitive. Listo, Devin? Ready? Devin? Yeah. Alright. Here we go. Now it's going to take time. And when I let you know, check those two items in green. They're on green?
Yeah.
Alright.
McAllen Tower, Skylane 710 Golf Zulu, ready for departure.
Alright, slowly bring the nose to the horizon.
Golf Zulu, McAllen Tower, hold short of runway 32.
Little bit more.
Hold short runway 32, 710 Golf Zulu.
Go a little bit to the right. Push the nose to the horizon. Right there. Alright.
Do I lift it up?
No, let's leave it down.
Alright.
Alright.
Sky Tower, Skyhawk 466 Mike Alpha, approximately.
Now, remove your flap over here.
What do you mean?
Go ahead, take the flap out.
North,
Yeah, up.
Check 466 Mike Alpha, McAllen Tower, proceed to right base, runway 32.
Take the controls.
Okay.
Right base, 32.
Now, when you get 500 feet,
710 Golf Zulu,
you're going to turn to the right.
Runway 32.
Use 10 degrees only. The first line over there.
Straight out approach.
Ready?
Golf Zulu, runway 32.
Almost there. Almost 500. Oh, push the nose to the horizon.
Golf Zulu, let's make straight out departure, runway 32.
A little bit more. Right there. Hold it right there.
Straight out.
Nobody's coming from the left.
Runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Center right. Let's go to the right. 10 degrees only. I'm going to reduce power here to continue our climb. There you go. Good job. Go straight to the north. You okay, Devin?
Sussex Mike Alpha, going to proceed direct to the numbers, runway 32, direct to the numbers. Direct to the
West the horizon.
466 Mike Alpha.
See these white water tanks over here?
Yeah.
Alright, go in that direction. Let's see if we can find your school. You okay? Alright. Good job. Right there, looking good. We're going to climb to 1,000.
93586, traffic 12 to 1 o'clock for 6 miles southeastbound Cherokee, 2,300 feet indicated.
Understand, searching for the Cherokee. We're going to hold 1,500 till we have visual contact. We have traffic on Ticas, no factor.
Roger. Cessna 0 Golf Zulu, Piper traffic
only till here.
Correction, total 1 o'clock for about 2
because
miles,
this plane is coming.
Do you have them inside?
Let me look for the landing light and click it on somewhere there.
Negative contact 1010 Golf Zulu.
There you go.
Alright, Cessna 0 Golf Zulu. What's your,
what about the gear?
Say what?
What about the gear? 020 710 Golf Zulu.
I'm not going to bring it up yet because they are going to work on it.
So 020, correction, Cessna 0 Golf Zulu, you can turn right to that 020 heading.
They are going to work on it, so I'm going to leave it down.
2.5 miles, 1,300 feet.
Is it fine if it's left down?
Yeah, we're going to go slow only.
Oh.
It's like a little Cessna.
710 looking for traffic.
Cessna 6 Mike Alpha, runway 32, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 32, 466 Mike Alpha.
Zero Golf Zulu, contact.
Watch the nose, push it forward.
Piper traffic.
Push it to the horizon.
12 o'clock, about 2 miles northbound, 1,500 feet.
Right there?
Yeah.
1010 Golf Zulu will contact value departure, negative contact.
Okay, now pick it up any of these roads going east.
Or 93586, first call Cherokee traffic, approaching your 12 o'clock, 2 miles, 2,400 feet southeastbound.
We have traffic on Ticas, no factor, looking for visual. We're going to depart momentarily to the east to make space. There's another plane coming somewhere here.
95386, roger.
See the Dodge Arena over here? I mean the Payne Arena?
Yeah.
Go on the left side, follow that road, see where you can find your school and mommy's house.
How are you getting signal?
Sometimes.
Oh.
When this gets 500 feet, bring the nose below the horizon. Almost there. Good. Good job. Uh-huh. You feel okay?
Yeah.
All right. Go slightly to the right. See if you can find your school, and we circle around.
Additional 6144 on a 9-mile final, runway 32.
I can't see the stadium.
Additional 6144.
Look for the Walmart.
Tower traffic, correction, Cessna, short final, runway 32, clear to land number 2.
32, clear land number 2, Air Shuttle 6144.
Seven. You can move. We're going to your house, and your school is going to appear somewhere here. Okay. Good job. There you go. Now, see the Walmart over there?
Yeah.
Now, follow with your eyes the ditch, the channel, the water channel. Follow it.
I know.
And then see if you can look at your school. You see it?
Yeah, it's
6144, you're now number 1.
Number 1, Air Shuttle 6144.
When your school gets over here,
Delta, correction, Delta, cross run.
when your school gets on the wing, make a left turn around. At your house, Daven. Ready?
Yeah.
This is Lando School over here. All right, whenever you can start turning left, make sure nobody's coming from the left, center, and right. There is the stripes. See the stripes over there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just go around your school. You want to take a picture from the school?
No.
Let me take the plane. Let me
Yeah.
take the plane. I have the plane. And you fly.
Hola futuros pilotos, soy Eddie Malacara y estoy emocionado de presentarte una oportunidad increíble. ¿Estás listo para empezar a volar? Mi curso en línea cubre todo lo que necesitas saber para comenzar tu viaje a convertirte en piloto privado. En el curso profundizaremos en los aspectos fundamentales como lo son la estructura de la aeronave, principios de vuelo, controles de la aeronave, navegación aérea y preparación de maniobras de vuelo. Y eso no es todo. También exploraremos comunicaciones VFR y responderemos a tus preguntas más frecuentes. Esto no es solo un curso, es una experiencia. Aprende a tu propio ritmo desde la comodidad de tu hogar. ¿Listo para empezar tu carrera como piloto aviador? Inscríbete hoy mismo dando clic en los enlaces que aparecen alrededor de este video y únete a mis miles de alumnos alrededor del mundo en este increíble viaje. No solo sueñes con volar, hazlo realidad con mi curso en línea de piloto privado y así volemos juntos por todo Latinoamérica. Eso es todo lo que tengo para ustedes, mis amigos. Mientras tanto, por favor, mantengan los cielos seguros y divertidos. Please keep sky safe and fun. And I'll see you next time. Nos vemos la próxima ocasión.
Alright, when you are ready, let me know. You can take the plane again.
Hold on. I'm gonna find the house.
Alright.
Valley traffic 24 and
Follow the road.
I know.
West
Wait,
departure Mid Valley.
the road that you walk.
Yeah, I see it.
Take a picture. Send it to mommy. There is your neighbor with her two white cars. There is the house of your neighbors, Daven. Sorry. Let me know when you want to take the plane again.
I'm good.
All right, pick it up. Over there on the distance, bring it down a little bit to stay at 1000. Push it forward. You feel it heavy? Oh, you're okay.
I'm fine.
All right. Now go straight to the south, excuse me, to the north. Or if you see those white buildings there on the distance,
Yeah.
which are the Edinburgh Airport, go that way. Right now it looks good where you are pointing the nose. And we're going to go to the airport. I'm going to put it here, and you will see a little line, a little magenta line.
Which airport?
Edinburgh.
We're gonna land there or?
Yeah, we can touch and go.
Alright.
See that line over there?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Just follow it, and you will see the airport. How is the green light, the heat? Is on the green?
Yeah, they're fine.
There it is, buddy. You have it. You got it.
Am I doing good?
Yeah, you're doing great. Questions? You want to know how fast we're going? We're going kind of slow because I had the landing gear down 92 knots.
How many miles per hour?
That would be 102. But look, I have kind of like half of the power. If I bring the landing gear up and put in more power, easily we can go to twice that.
Like almost 200? Or?
No, like 170, 160. I'm going to change tanks. I want to start burning from this one.
Titan Tower 2416 Bravo, 10 miles to the east, request touch and go. Information Charlie.
Alright, now we need to start descending. So you're going to push the nose forward and bring this needle over here. I'm going to help you with little power over here, little trim, and you're going to feel it. Okay? Or help yourself with this. This button is to be down and back. So play with that and allow, see? That's enough. There you go. Perfect. You're almost there. Too heavy?
No.
Alright. So let's go to Edinburgh.
Didn't you say we were gonna go down?
Yeah, to 1000. This needle over there. See the white buildings of Edinburgh?
Yeah.
I'll go in that direction.
That's the airport.
That's correct. We come very fast.
Temperature 3.1 Celsius, 2.12 Celsius, altimeter 297.5. Remarks, density altitude 2300.
All right, in a moment we're going to turn.
South Texas International Airport at Edinburgh, automated weather observation, 2356 Zulu. Wind 070 at 5 knots.
Right.
Visibility more than.
Lando, go, follow this orange mark. Go right there, that way. And Edinburgh traffic, November 93586 is entering. Excuse me, 5 miles south for a 45 left downwind runway 32. Full stop, Edinburgh. Yeah, you're almost there. So I'm going to give you directions to enter the pattern on the airport in Edinburgh. David, you're going to see the airport over here in a moment. Edinburgh Airport. And we're going to go around the house. All right, and in one moment you're going to turn. Oh shoot, sorry. Let me fix this. And in a moment you're going to turn this way. I'll let you know when. Now, you can go now. To the right, very good. With the altitude. Edinburgh traffic, November 93586 is entering 45, left downwind runway 32, full stop, Edinburgh.
Dad.
Yeah.
This is stall speed for a jet, right?
Oh yeah.
For a fighter jet?
Yeah, there is. Now we're going to go parallel to the highway. Yeah, it is. Our house is over there. David, you're going to see, David, you're going to see the house, our house. Let's see if you can see it. All right, in a moment, Lando, I'm going to need you to go this way. Or if you see our house, make a turn around the house. You see it? See the trucks and the vans, the building?
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. That way. Edinburgh traffic, November 93586 is entering left downwind runway 32, full stop, Edinburgh. Yeah, hold it right there. In a moment, you're going to turn to 150. I'll let you know. Now, David, here is the house. See if you can see it on the side of the highway. But traffic November 93586 is entering left downwind runway 32, full stop. You see it over there? There is the possum. 150. Now we're going to descend. This one needs to go over here. I'm going to reduce power for that.